In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your speaker notes while presenting Google Slides. This is a very handy feature for anyone looking to deliver a polished presentation without having to rely on memory alone. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, we begin by heading to Google Slides. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in to your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a prompt to do so. Enter your credentials and gain access to your presentations. Upon signing in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll find a list of your existing presentations and an option to start a new one. For this tutorial, let's click on blank presentation to create a new slideshow, though you can certainly open an existing presentation if you prefer using the notes you've prepared earlier. With your presentation open, move your attention to the top menu. You will see several options, but for our purposes, click on View. A drop-down menu will appear with various options related to how you see your presentation. From here, select Slideshow. As you click on Slideshow, your presentation will enter full screen mode. Once you're in slideshow mode, position your cursor down to the bottom left of the screen. You might not see it immediately, but this area holds some crucial controls for your presentation. As you hover over the area, you'll notice some icons appear, including the one we need next. Click on the three dots you see in the bottom left hand corner. This opens a menu of additional options that you can utilize while presenting. The feature we're looking for is nestled within these options. In this menu, find and click on Open Speaker Notes. By doing this, a new window or tab, depending on your system settings, will pop up with your speaker notes displayed. These notes are your private prompts and details to keep your presentation flowing smoothly. They won't be visible to your audience, allowing you to keep your focus while conveying your key points confidently. Make sure to practice navigating between these views fluidly so you can maintain eye contact with your audience and refer to your notes seamlessly. That's it, you've successfully set up your Google Slides to show speaker notes while presenting. This simple process can really enhance your presentations by allowing you to organize your thoughts and deliver them clearly. Practice these steps a couple of times and soon, managing your presentations will feel like second nature. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.